How to delete Telegram account permanently. Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account. So first, open your Telegram app, and here go to the three horizontal lines in the left top corner. So here you need to click on settings, and you need to click on privacy and security. After that, scroll down and go to this option, delete my account, and here click on months. So this option is for deleting your account. If you uninstall your Telegram app and do not log in your account for like 1 month, then your account will be deleted permanently, and that's how you basically delete your Telegram account. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.